Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora Play unboxing for the month of February, and let's go ahead and jump right in. If you guys want to see what's inside this month's play box, then keep on watching. As the theme of this month seems to be pretty apparent with all the other themes that we've seen in beauty subscriptions, which happens to be about feeling the love during the month of love. First thing I'm pulling out of my play bag this month, it seems to be a perfume sample, which maybe Sephora heard my gripes about it, or maybe it's just luck of the draw, but we have another perfume sample. And this is from Tory Burch, and this is Love Relentlessly. Looking at our playbook here, this says this is a sparkling fragrance of pink pepper, patchouli, and dewy rose. So already a little nervous because I don't love floral scents, especially rose, but we'll go ahead and give it a squirt right here because I actually have something else on my wrist. The first thing I'm noticing on the perfume is definitely that rosy smell. However, it's not too awful once it actually settles, because I'm picking up some more notes of those patchouli, maybe that little bit of pink pepper, which I don't really know what pink pepper is, but it seems interesting enough. I think this would definitely be something that I probably wouldn't pick, but it's not awful on just a sample size alone. The more that it is wearing on my skin, the more I'm picking up different notes of this perfume, and I have to say I don't hate it. I'm gonna have to test this out and see if it really does kind of hold true to the different scents in there. I was a really big fan of the other Tory Burch perfume I've tested, which was the Belle Azur, and I was a big fan. Maybe I'll be a big fan of this one too. Who knows? We'll have to see. The next item inside our play bag this month looks like it's from Lancome, and this is the Drama Liqui-Pencil eyeliner, and this is in the shade Cote. And if being that I know French, the only thing that I'm a little nervous about is that I feel like this is going to be bright blue. And I am not wrong. The color it comes in, which is a very pretty blue. Those who have followed this channel, we know that colored liners are a little intimidating for me, especially something of this nature. When I think blue, anything eye related, blue mascara, blue eyeliner, blue eyeshadow, I automatically think Mimi from the Drew Carey Show. Not saying that that's the case, because I think this could be really pretty with maybe like a smoky eye and with like a pop of that electric blue in the waterline. I think that'd be super pretty, but I'm almost a little hesitant to test this out just because I really don't know what kind of eye look I would even try to pull off with this bad boy. But I will go ahead and give it a swatch on the back of my hand. On a swatch, it does look very pigmented to the point where I would be a little scared. I would probably only use this in my waterline, only because pencil eyeliners aren't my favorite. Cream eyeliners, again, not my favorite. But we'll have to go ahead and test this out. I'm sure I can find something to wear with this, whether it be just a really general nude eye look and, like, again, filling it with a waterline or something, but we'll have to see about this one. I'm a little nervous. Inside our Sephora Play, we have looks like a peeling gel from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the FirmX peeling gel. Going back off of our playbook, this is an exfoliating gel powered by fruit enzymes to reveal a glowy complexion. Now, gels, I've never really done a gel peel, but I definitely am always on board for when it comes to exfoliants, because I'm always trying to like clear up those problematic areas, especially along my chin and my nose. So maybe this will help in that terms. Maybe this will be used as a treatment. Obviously not something that I would use every single day, but maybe this will be the problem solver for the problems I have, but especially my problem areas. How many times can I say problem? That was a problem how much I said problem. And even though my skin has been getting a little bit better compared to the past couple months, I really want to start implementing a really standard and efficient skincare routine. So maybe this will make the cut. Next inside our Sephora Play, we have here what looks like a jelly mask, and this is from the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, and this is claiming to be safe for sensitive skin. This is supposed to be a revitalizing jelly mask that's packed with ginger and turmeric to comfort and brighten stressed out skin. Case in point, my skin has been super stressed. A lot of like texturizing issues up along my cheeks. Obviously those problem areas I've discussed earlier. Maybe this will help. I'm definitely excited because First Aid Beauty is one of those brands I do like, especially their skincare. So we'll have to see. Maybe this will make a favorite. I think I'm more or less excited for this, just to like for the selfie that I'm going to take with this, because I, for whatever reason, will always take selfies if I'm doing face masks, because I love to see other people doing them, because I love to see what products they're using. But yeah, I'm excited. Next, inside our Sephora play, we have what looks like a lipstick from Makeup Forever, and this is the artist Rouge, and mine is in the shade M500, which that doesn't really explain a lot in color terms. This is M500, and this is the color it comes in. It's supposed to be a matte lipstick, and oh, so mine is kind of like wobbling around in its component. It's already smudged at the top, so I'm a little disappointed in the shipping parcel that it's kind of already a dud sample to test out. But I lately have really been opting to not wear dark pigmentation. I don't know if it's because with the lighter hair I feel like I can't pull it off as much, but dark colors, especially vampy colors like this, make me a little bit nervous now. I don't know why. It's disappointing when you get products and they're like already broken, so you can't really test them. So it looks like the last thing inside our Sephora play here is a lip gloss, and this is the Gel Gloss Ultra Bright Ultra Shine Lip Gel, and mine is in the shade 4, which is Perfect Nude. Now I'm like 93% sure I already have this somewhere in my collection from a previous Sephora play. I did notice on the playbook that they gave you 2 lip products so you can share one with a friend, and I will be completely honest, I will probably give this to my mom because she has always been on the market for lip glosses, and anytime I wear any sort of lip gloss that is very neutral in color, she's always like, what is that? Can I borrow it? And it's just, instead of borrowing it, she can now have her own. I'll have to do some research and find which video it was that I received this in, but I will be sure to link it down below so you guys can check what my thought was when I received it the first time around. So that was everything that was inside my Sephora plays this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's truly appreciated. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new play boxes. This month's play box was almost a little disappointing just because 2 lip samples, one of which I already have, and second off the other one, it was kind of defective, so that's a little disappointing. But I am really excited for the skincare portion of this month's play box because I've been looking to kind of implement new routines into my skincare, and yeah, that's pretty exciting. Overall, I'd give this month's box maybe a B-. This isn't one that I'm like jumping for joy about, but there are a few products in there I'm excited to test out. But I will be sure to do a full blog review over at the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, where I will do a full breakdown of all the products inside. And I will also be sure to link all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Take care. Love you always. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.